If your job requires you to use and carry several tools at once, then finding the best tool backpack in the market can provide you a lot of rewarding benefits, among which are better productivity and efficiency. Whether you are in need of the best backpack for construction worker or for any other kind of work, you will find this item of great value, as it allows your stuff to be sorted out properly. With a good tool-carrying backpack, you will have something to hold all your stuff, including nails, hammers, saws, and any other tools. You can put these things in just one place, promoting ease in case you need to crawl or move around tight spaces or climb up ladders. If you need to bring a gadget or laptop at work, then you will be pleased to know that you can now easily find a tool backpack with a laptop compartment. This makes it possible to bring your device around without hassle. Let's get started.
This one-of-a-kind backpack is built and designed for comfort and convenience. Powered by a DEWALT 20-volt max lithium-ion battery, the integrated charging system is capable of charging 2 USB-compatible devices simultaneously. The 3 internal wall pockets fit a wide range of gadgets, from smartphones and tablets to small laptops with USB-C input. The 3 large exterior utility pockets are great for hauling gear, while multiple internal pockets provide safe storage for tools, accessories, and much more. The padded adjustable shoulder straps and padded back keep you comfortable while carrying the backpack. Power up and stay prepared with the DEWALT 20-volt max charging system tool backpack.
As an electrician, plumber, technician, or general handyman, you can pay more money, but you can't get better quality or more features than with the Rugged Tools Worksite Tool Backpack. With maximum storage capacity and 68 places to organize your gear, you'll be ready for whatever the job takes. There are 30 internal tool pockets, 29 utility organizers, 4 zippered pockets, 2 side pockets, and an external clip and utility strap that can be used for standard or specialty tools. The main compartment is even large enough for your power tools and extension cords. The zippered panel opens wide for easy access and are secured with double heavy-duty metal zippers. Built for technology, the bag includes a padded laptop sleeve and a USB port to easily charge your phone and electronics on the go. Even loaded up, the Rugged Tools tool backpacks are comfortable to carry to and from any job site. The air mesh padded back and backpack straps are contoured to offer maximum padding and air ventilation, keeping your back cool and comfortable and your hands free. The engineered solid molded bottom keeps your bag upright and your tools within reach, even in the toughest worksite conditions. Cut from a premium load-bearing 1680 denier treated state-of-the-art material, this backpack will outlast the rest. If you or someone you know needs a world-class solution, the Rugged Tools Worksite Tool Backpack will exceed your expectations.
Large back pads provide extra comfort for hands-free tool transport. Base pads on the bottom of the backpack help reduce wear and abrasion. The DGL523 features an adjustable LED light that can easily be directed at your work area or into the backpack to help identify tools and parts. With 3 levels of light output, the LED light allows adjustment for wide area illumination or close-up work. Padded carrying handles provide comfortable and convenient transport. 48 multi-use pockets inside with a total of 57 pockets help you to organize your tools.
This one-of-a-kind backpack functions as a practical tool backpack while including an integrated USB charging system, powered by the provided 15,000 mAh power bank. Capable of charging 2 devices simultaneously, the backpack can safely charge your cell phone, tablet, notebook, camera, or any other USB-powered device. The 4 internal wall pockets keep devices securely stowed while they power up. The integrated 2-level 200-lumen LED light system with adjustable steel neck is powered by the power bank and helps light the contents of the backpack. Any work in low light conditions is made easy with an adjustable wide area illumination or close-up work illumination. 31 multi-use pockets inside, 5 pockets outside, 4 additional loops and measuring tape clip help organize a wide variety of hand tools. The padded webbed carrying handles and adjustable shoulder straps allow for comfortable transportation, while the base pad feet help fight against abrasion. And when the work is done, the 15,000 mAh power bank is removable and can be used as a power source anywhere you go. The power bank comes with an included USB wall charger. Power up and stay prepared.
A hard-molded base provides up to 5 times more durability and protects contents from the elements. This new Jobsite backpack features a variety of pocket sizes that allows you to stay organized and carry all of your gear to the job site. A padded, load-bearing harness provides maximum comfort for use throughout the day. For best-in-class storage solutions and maximum durability.
CLC's 1134 Deluxe Tool Backpack, featuring 2 large zippered compartments that reveal 36 pockets to easily hold a variety of tools and accessories. A large adjustable exterior pocket sits on the outside of the bag, along with an additional 8 pockets on the front and both sides of the bag. A multitude of pockets allow you to organize all your equipment, and the fold-down motion gives you easy access to all the tools you need when working on site. Hands-free capability allows you to maneuver around your work area. Base pads are located at the bottom of the bag to help reduce wear and tear, while the carrying handle is padded, allowing you to easily and comfortably move your bag around your workstation. And when the work is done, easily zip up and put the bag on. It offers an adjustable sternum strap and adjustable shoulder straps that are padded and slip resistant. The 1134 Deluxe Tool Backpack.